This is grade 9 mathematics educational lesson was presented by KEMER Tube. In the previous lesson, we discussed about sets and their elements. We discussed the basic definition of sets and their examples. Today's lesson is on Unit 1 farther on set about set description lesson 2. Now let us begin today's lesson. 1.2, Set Description Lesson 2. Sets can be described in the following ways. A. Verbal method or statement form. The elements of the set are written in English statement form in words. Example. 1. The set of all even natural numbers less than 10. 2. The set of whole numbers greater than 1 and less than 20. B. Listing method. A. Complete listing method or roster method. All the elements of the sets are completely listed, where the elements are separated by commas and are enclosed within braces. Example. The set of all even positive integers less than 7 is described in a listing method as the set containing 2, 4, 6. The set of all vowels in the English alphabet is described in a listing method as the set containing A, E, I, O, U. B. Partial listing method. If listing all elements of a set is difficult or impossible, the elements can be indicated clearly by listing a few that fully describe the set. Example. 1. Use the partial listing method to describe the following sets. A. The set of natural numbers less than 100. Solution. Naming the set as A, we can express A by partial listing method as A equals the set containing 1, 2, 3, 99. B. The set of whole numbers. Solution. Naming the set of whole numbers by W, we can describe it as W equals the set containing 0, 1, 2, 3, Exercise 1.2. 1. Describe each of the following sets using a verbal method. A equals the set containing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Solution. A is the set of natural numbers or whole numbers between 4 and 10. B. M equals the set containing 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Solution. M is the set of prime numbers less than 14. C. G equals the set containing 8, 9, 10, Solution. G is the set of natural numbers greater than 7 or the set of integers greater than 7. D. E equals the set containing 1, 3, 5, 99. Solution. E is the set of odd natural numbers less than 100. 2. Describe each of the following sets using complete and partial listing methods, if possible. A. The set of prime factors of 36. Solution. The set containing 2, 3. B. The set of natural numbers less than 100 and divisible by 5. Solution. The set containing 5, 10, 15, 95. C. The set of non-negative integers. Solution. The set containing 0, 1, 2, 3, D. The set of even natural numbers. Solution. The set containing 2, 4, 6, E. The set of integers divisible by 3. Solution. The set containing negative 6, negative 3, 3, 6, 9, F. B is the set of positive even numbers below or equal to 30. Solution. The set containing 2, 4, 6, 30. This is all about today's lesson. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comment box. Until the next lesson, have a nice time.